I know I do. Reverse parking. Right now, the amount of message me they get, but my hand, I know it start feel like a better because I could text with my hand, my right hand kind of fuck up. So I drive and I go for a partner do the reverse parking. So when I swing out is like a water bottle go under, like it drop somewhere near this. Because me is the type of person I always clear everything within near my seat. So it's like when I swing out now, is that the water bottle a full one, so go underneath my brake and jam between under my brake and palm the gas. So when me I go for catch brake now, because for sure me even I look ahead of me now because I'm ready now for wrap up and reverse. So when me ready for wrap up, when me ready for catch whole brake now for go in a reverse parking. Me I notice say me just hear the engine a rev out. And me I say what the blood clot I go so. And I brake me there pan. I want the bad me just hear something like when me look by the time I look down, I don't crash already. Cause me I tell you, when me I driving at the place, me I say, yo, me now when I'm parking beside nobody, Coincidentally, me I say, yo, me now park beside nobody. One big empty space right there, so me I go park right there, so. And normally, I park near people, so me can just, just jump up, cause it's nearer to the entrance. I'ma say, me now park right there, say, yeah, man. You see, I'ma swing out, so. The brake me I press, man. I gas a rev out, because the buckle, stop my brake. So the more brake me I press, and the more gas I come out. So you fuck up and go straight up in a one wall, brother. Yo, me I tell you say, so how my hand was spraying now is like through my hand dip on the steering. So the airbag, when the airbag them fly, it slap up my hand, and then the jerk when I get, my seat go move, and the seat belt grip me and fling me back. So we go like this, and then it pull me back in the chair. Because it's a sudden stop, because the wall did there literally like a couple feet away. So it's not like so the engine get for about to like over 100, you get me? The max it could have got like probably like 80, 90. And then it just got slam up in the wall. But once and God say at the wall, but I don't fix somebody else car. And yeah, never I did have on my seatbelt, so my face never get no mash up, thank God. I never dip on the road because I'm reach my destination, my crash. You get me? Because me I tell you now one thing I know about myself, I can drive. Me, not crash. I never yet crash. I never yet crash. You Ramesh. I say I eat the man. And then they see me make fun. I am less than, hey, don't make me talk your business. Ouch. Ouch. Don't make me talk your business. Don't make me talk your business, Ramesh. Listen, less than 2 minutes, Ramesh up on the scene. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, nobody never involved. Thank God. My beaker kind of get fucked still. Because the hard lick it get. Yeah, I was gonna see the picture, the whole of the airbag them fly. But that was some weird shit. I swing out now for go do the reverse parking now. And at that time, something go under my brake. That's a madness, brother. Madness. A madness that, Imagine if we did it up on the road. And yeah, I know so the vehicle faster and everything. So imagine if we did it up on the road. At the wall stop me, I could have gone further, me I tell you. The wall. And even then, I'm a seatbelt. Because if I never my seatbelt, I feel like more that fly through the windscreen. Because that blood clot liquid get. Right now, my back and my spine jerk up. My right hand sprain. It'll get better still. I just my wrist kind of fuck up right now. But I'm gonna pull through. I know no family I worry. I decide, Ramesh, without the announcement quickly. Just tell myself I'm okay. Right now, we're both to go to the beach as Roger done doing on business already. I go wash off some of the salt with it on me. I go wash off some of the salt with it on me. Give it back to the sea. Because Trouble the day, no? Never try up for me, no? Can I ask you? Go and go look now. I gotta carry back some of the salt, go get the seed. Because me I tell no, say somebody I try up for me, man, I ask Christ. But guess what? I pray I mean believe in 100%. But trouble the day. Fuck where I go on in my life. So forgive me if I'm not just a soul right about now. Got too much things that reach me. I will just sit down yourself. Probably my come. You're so pretty. Thank you, baby. River water in it. Me say me I take every water. Me I take salt water, mineral water, river water, pipe water, every water I take wash me up. Me say, I don't even understand what I go on. I'm not done some sacrifice my mother already. So see, then start to me I sacrifice myself. I'm over sacrifice myself. I'm over sacrifice myself. I'm mad, you know. I'm a mad boy, you know. Me say, I'm a mad boy, man. Proto, you know see? Proto today, big up yourself. Your EP or your album drop, I need to get a post. And that's weird because I just make a video, I big up every artist in a dance hall and say, I almost need to get for post the damn video. So now that time I dip on my life, I tell everybody I go road the night before. And I say, yo, the artists them in a dance hall, them are going, damn good. The unity, everything, but I saw we've been a come together a long time and just a work and put up music for the people them and the people them enjoy themselves. Oh go on. Girl, I want to see. Me dey on live. Lucky lure. At least for this them. Oh me at this them fam. Busy about people man. When I busy about people, you know, if I don't see that but by now, I don't understand when I see that. When I always ask me how I deal with so much hate. Brother, I just not deal with it, period. I don't give a shit. So when I hear me even address certain things, I address it because I want to address it. Because I want to address it. If I want to sit down and address shit, I have to do that shit. I tell you. If I have nothing to chat about me, address it. But the body, still, you know, not 100, but I'll be okay, though, that's for sure, because I can feel myself a come on. Yesterday was bad, though. Yesterday I had fever, take me on a bag of something. I want to see you perform so bad. Tell them for open the country, man. I'm ready for perform now. I'm ready for perform. Now, can I see it want a remix? Yes, you know. Yeah, my big thing. Whoa. Thoughts about WAP. WAP. Listen, WAP. I love everything about that video there. Woman empowerment. It screams woman empowerment, me I tell you. I'ma love that shit. Hi, Shen. How you doing, like people? No, people not get to me now. But I'm gonna call somebody else right about now. Any new songs soon? Yes, I'm gonna be releasing sure. Very soon. So and a bag of things to that's I'm telling you, say subscribe to my channel because enough things are forward. Hello.
Hi.
Hi love, how are you?
There. What going?
Where you there? Jamaica?
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam? So you're Jamaican in Amsterdam.
Yep.
How is it there? I love Amsterdam, I love Red District. At my place. Oh my god.
Everybody says so when they come. Everybody say red light district or the coffee shop them.
Yes, the coffee shop them bad, so I ever get the orange juice them. They have the best
Yeah.
orange juice and the best
The last time I did there
juice.
was January.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we did it.
Right, as we done tour Corona come man, God is good. Say
Yep.
alright though, up there cool and stuff.
Yeah, man, there. There. Just a chill. My son is singing Blessed like every day. And one song was
Yeah.
stuck in my head. Because I
As in
always
blessed,
play in a car.
what rings it?
Jay, come here. Say hi to her. She sings a song. Say hi now.
Me can't see him. Me see me here.
Come. Jay, get up. Just say hi. Say hi. You gonna run gone, you
I
shy.
try.
Yeah, but me always
Yeah, always why you break up just now.
no, me always a show him when me watch your video them when the Jared up on the video them, me always a show him.
Yeah. How
Yeah.
old is he?
But I'm glad you're alright still because I'm read the message. I said, Lord God, what happened now again?
Right?
You know?
But they are all it man. God not ready for me. Alright, big up.
The man later.
I say I did have to write one new song, people. To everything I go on in my life. They are the children of the future. They're from Chicago. Oops it. Them sick of me. I beg God now make you get rid of me. I know everybody get my energy. Me love my own company. Them too bad mind. Poor you. You not like me, I me even know you. Full of bad spirit like dopey grow you. When is some for drop the song? I didn't even drop the song enough because I tell you. It's, my lashes, my lashes. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I like these lashes too. My auntie said them fit me. My makeup Sean come put them on for me, man. I said, Shanice, you sure them lashes will fit me? But surprisingly, they do. I have some longer one. Me now put on them there. You don't want to see them. Ashley, pass the lash them on the bathroom.